Prepare yourself for a delightful journey as we craft a nourishing banana broccoli baby food that will have your baby eagerly anticipating mealtime. The ingredients we are using today are 1 banana, a handful of broccoli florets, baby's milk. Start by thoroughly washing the broccoli under running water. Once clean, chop the broccoli into smaller, bite-sized florets. To ensure the broccoli is extra clean and free from any hidden dirt or pests, soak the florets in a bowl of salty water for a few minutes. This helps to dislodge any impurities. After soaking, give the broccoli another good rinse under fresh water. This removes any remaining salt and ensures the broccoli is perfectly clean. Place the broccoli florets in a steamer. Steam them for about 5 minutes until they are tender and cooked through, but still vibrant green. Steaming preserves the nutrients while making the broccoli soft enough for blending. Once the broccoli is perfectly cooked, set it aside and allow it to cool. This will make it easier to handle and blend smoothly. Peel a ripe banana and place it into a blender. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more amazing baby food recipes. Add the cooled broccoli florets to the blender as well. Pour in the appropriate amount of baby's milk. This can be breast milk, formula, or any other type of milk your baby is accustomed to. The milk helps create a creamy texture and adds additional nutrients. Blend the banana, broccoli, and milk together until you achieve a smooth, creamy puree. Make sure there are no lumps to ensure it's safe and easy for your baby to eat. Pour the freshly made puree into a serving bowl. You can warm it slightly if desired, but make sure it's not too hot. Serve this nutritious and delicious banana broccoli puree to your baby and watch them enjoy every bite. This vibrant and nutrient-packed puree is perfect for introducing your baby to the wonderful world of fruits and vegetables, combining the sweetness of banana with the wholesome goodness of broccoli. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you in our next video. Bye.